I'm Manoj Kumar Jha, Assistant Professor of English, Nandan Sanskrit College, Isapur, Madhubani. It's a constituent unit of Kameswar Singh Sanskrit University, Darbhanga. Today, we are going to discuss negatives with emphasis and inversion. The topic is important for degree students of the university. The emphatic negative. We can stress not or an auxiliary with an apostrophe T, means short form of not. I did not take your mobile. You can try to see. I did not take your mobile. Here, NOT has been written in capital. I didn't take your mobile. Here, didn't has been written in capitals. We speak the word with extra force, and in writing, we highlight the word exemplification by underlining or using capital letters. Means whenever we are going to emphasize a word in a sentence, we use it by saying, by applying force, or by writing the word in capitals. We can also use at all to emphasize a negative. Means we can also use at all to emphasize negative. Means if we try to emphasize a negative sentence, we use at all. For example, we don't like our new boss at all. In no time at all, the tour was over. At all usually goes at the end of a clause or a negative phrase, exemplification, no time. Here are some other phrases which emphasize a negative. For example, the event did not go well by any means. I'm not in the least hungry. Her son's visits were far from frequent. In these sentences, by any means, in the least, far from, these are expressions or phrases which emphasize the negative sentences. We can use absolutely before no, nobody, nowhere, etc. For example, there was absolutely nowhere to park. We can use whatever or whatsoever after nothing or none, or after no plus noun. For example, there is nothing whatever we can do about it. I have no sympathy whatsoever. Here in this sentence, whatever has been used for emphasis. In this sentence, I have no sympathy whatsoever. Whatsoever has been used for emphasis. You must be knowing the meaning of the word whatsoever means not of any kind. Well now, next important one, inversion. You must be knowing inversion, it's very important. Inversion means the act of changing the position or order of something. Inversion after a negative phrase means this rule is important because it informs us the use of inversion for a negative phrase. A negative phrase can come in front position. Well, try to understand, you should try to get me. A negative phrase can come in front position. This can happen with phrases containing no, never, neither, nor, seldom, rarely, hardly, and only. For example, the auxiliary means, for example, should works as an auxiliary in a sentence. The auxiliary comes before the subject. For example, under no circumstances should you travel alone. Well, try to understand the sentence once more. Under no circumstances should you travel alone. Here, the use of inversion has been made. You can compare. You should not travel alone under any circumstances. Never in my life have I seen such things. Well, try to notice the inversion. Never in my life have I seen such things. The electricity had been disconnected, nor was there any water. Well, try to see the inversion. Only in summer is it hot enough to swim. Sometimes a phrase with not can come in front position. For example, not until the following Monday was I able to see a doctor. Next rule, if the verb is is in a simple tense, well, try to understand it. The rule is very important. If the verb is in a simple tense, we use the auxiliary verb do. For example, seldom do we have any visitors. Well, try to understand here. Try to see the use of inversion. Seldom do we have. Well, try to notice do and we. Seldom do we have any visitors. Compare, we seldom have any visitors. Without the use of inversion, the sentence can be this way. We seldom have any visitors. Only once did my attention wander. Now finally, a negative phrase with inversion can sound formal and literary. An exception is no way. Means no way is used for an inversion. It makes the sentence informal. Which is informal, exemplification, no way can we get there on time. In this sentence, you can notice the inversion, no way can we get the time, get there on time. In this sentence, no way is working as inversion, but it is informal. But what is most important, inversions are used for formal expressions in a language. In this way, today we have seen how we should make emphasis on negative sentences using inversions. That's all for now. Thank you.